there, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing well, and if it's your first time here, welcome. I make regular videos on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So from the title, I know you guys are really excited. I'm also very excited because today I'm going to share my top recommendations for the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. So Nykaa will be having her Pink Friday sale from the 26th of November 2020 till the 30th of November 2020, when she will be having lots and lots of discounts on most of her brands. And I think this is the best time where you can just stock up with your favorite products. This is by no means a sponsored video. You guys keep on asking me about the products which I just need to recommend you for this Pink Friday sale. So I thought that I just need to make a long video recommending all the products which you guys definitely need to try out according to your budget, according to your need. So I do have quite a lot of products just lying over on my table which I will be recommending you, which you will be definitely getting at a much discounted price during a Nykaa's Pink Friday sale. And this video is going to be a really long one. I don't want to extend the intro anymore, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell next to the red subscribe button so that you get updates whenever I upload a new video. So without any more blabbering, let's get started. So guys, for your convenience, I have divided this video into 4 sections: skincare, hair care, body care and makeup, so that it will be easier for you to choose the product according to your need from a particular section. So starting with skincare. So coming to the first skincare brand which I would highly suggest you guys to grab during Nykaa's Pink Friday sale is a Plum Goodness. Plum do offer a huge amount of discounts on most of our products, and I would highly suggest you guys to try out her green tea range. And from the green tea range, definitely you just need to try out her green tea face clearing face wash, which is a very gentle face wash. It's not going to strip up moisture from your face. Another favorite of mine is her green tea face mask. I don't know how many times I have already finished up of this one. This is a really good face mask. If you have very acne prone congested skin, definitely try out Plum's green tea night clarity gel. It's a nice gel based moisturizer which you can definitely use during daytime as well as in the night. It's so soothing on the face. It contains glycolic acid as well as green tea, which is definitely going to work for you if your skin is a very oily combination, if your skin is very sensitive, at the same time your skin is prone to acne. This night clarity gel is definitely going to work for you. Another product from Plum which I am enjoying lately is her cleansing balm. This is the Plum E-Luminance cleansing balm. It looks something like this. I'm using it constantly and it is working really well for my skin because it helps in removing every trace of makeup from your face. It's not going to clog your pores, and I think sale is the best time where you can stock up with this cleansing balm. So another brand which I think you can definitely have a look onto is Dr. Sheth's. I think Dr. Sheth's is having such amazing skincare products. So the first product which you guys definitely need to try out from Dr. Sheth's is her Extra Gentle Daily Peel. So this is a product which I keep on buying because it has worked really well for removing my acne scars, because it contains glycolic acid as well as lactic acid. Both are meant for just gentle exfoliation of your skin without harming your skin. You can use it twice or thrice a week and you're going to get really good results. Another product which you guys can definitely try out if you are in your late 20s or in your early 30s is her retinoid emulsion. This is the Dr. Sheth's Rosehip and Retinoid Emulsion. So it contains Granactive Retinoid, which is the weakest form of retinol aka vitamin A, which works so well in just delaying your signs of aging. It also contains rosehip oil as well as a lot of ingredients which are going to cure your acne. Definitely you can give this one a shot. Another product from Dr. Sheth's which you guys will be loving and you can definitely stock up during sale time is her Haldi Hyaluronic Acid Sleeping Mask. This is so good because I really love the texture of this. It has got a complete gel watery kind of texture. It contains turmeric which helps in curing my acne. At the same time, this is so moisturizing and hydrating on the skin. It contains hyaluronic acid. So these are the 3 products I think which you can definitely stock up during Nykaa's Pink Friday sale from Dr. Sheth's. If you want to get any one of this, I think you are going to not regret because all of these products are really good. So coming to another skincare product slash moisturizer which I think I will be definitely stocking up because I am using it non-stop throughout 2020 and I really love it. This is by Pond's. It's her Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. This is a complete gel moisturizer. It's the closest dupe of Clinique Moisture Surge, but it costs so less. During the sale time you can even get it at much discounted price. It's suitable for all skin types out there, but if you have oily combination skin, you are going to love it. I love the texture of this. It feels so moisturizing on the skin. It contains hyaluronic acid, which actually helps in making my skin remain hydrated throughout the entire day, and I really like it. Definitely give this one a shot, guys. Come back to the video and let me know whether you liked it or not. So as I was talking about moisturizers and cleanser, another product which grabs my attention, which was lying on my vanity, which I think I need to share with you, is from Juicy Chemistry. Juicy Chemistry also offers great discounts during sale time on Nykaa, so just keep an eye on that, and if you get this one in discount, you can definitely grab this. This is the Juicy Chemistry Tamanu and Kakadu Plum and Frankincense Organic Certified Face Wash, which is meant for damaged and pigmented skin. So if you have a lot of scars going on, if the texture of your skin is not that great, if you have a bumpy skin, this is a face wash which is definitely going to work for you. It contains tamanu oil, which works really well in reducing scars. If you find this one in discount, grab it. So guys, these are basically all the skincare products which you can definitely grab during a Pink Friday sale of Nykaa. Now it's time to move on to the hair care products. When it comes to hair care, I'm really minimal because I don't use a lot of products. I generally follow the routine of shampooing, conditioning and masking my hair and following up with a serum. So the shampoo and the conditioner which you can definitely try out during the sale time are both from Herbal Essences, and this particular range of Herbal Essences work really well on my super curly frizzy hair, guys. This is the Herbal Essences Bio Renew Deep Sea Mineral Scalp Balance Shampoo, and this one is the conditioner of the same variant. This smells absolutely gorgeous. Your hair actually feels gorgeous and smell gorgeous for the next 3 days, the day when you shampoo your hair. Just get it during the sale time. It will be really a great product for your hair. You are not going to regret after you try out this shampoo and the conditioner. So coming to the next hair care product, which I think is an affordable range, but sale is the best time when you can get it at a much lesser price, and it's from L'Oreal Paris. It's L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. I have done a dedicated video on this particular product. I'm going to link it somewhere over here. You can watch it. Why I like this particular product is because it actually helps in taming down my frizz for quite some time. Another reason of liking this product is because it works so well as an heat protectant. I generally straighten my hair most of the time when I am just shooting for my videos, and it works really well as a heat protectant. If you have tried a number of hair serums, just give this one a single chance, and I think you are going to like it. So these are the hair care products which I think you guys definitely need to try out during sale time. Now it's time to move on to the body care products. So for body care, the 2 stars which you guys definitely need to stock up during sale time are both from M Caffeine. This is the M Caffeine Naked and Rich Choco Body Butter. This is the best body butter I think I have used till date. According to me, this is the best body butter, and this one is a Hard Choco Body Scrub. I have used, I think, almost 2 to 3 tubs of each of these, and I really like it. If you want a great body butter, try this one. If you want a great body scrub, try this one, and you're not going to regret. So for shower gel slash body washes, I would highly recommend you guys to try out these two. Both of these are in an affordable range. These are not going to dig a huge hole in your pocket. The first one is from Nivea. This is the Nivea Clear Fresh Ginger and Basil body wash. It's a very creamy body wash. It's going to moisturize your skin during this time of the year. At the same time, the Palmolive Luminous Oils shower gels, which is in the variant Macadamia Oil with Peony, is having a divine smell. It's going to make you feel like a spa. Both of these are really affordable. Just you can grab any of these two during sale time at a much discounted price. So the 2 other products from Nivea which you can definitely try out, because Nivea also provides a /25 to /35% off during sale time, and these are the 2 stuffs which you can definitely stock up. This is the Nivea Nourishing Lotion Body Milk, which provides 48 hours of moisturization, and get this blue variant which is meant for very dry skin, and this is going to just moisturize your skin throughout the entire day. So another product product which you can definitely stock up from Nivea is my staple product. It's our roll-on deo in the variant Fresh Natural. It is completely free of alcohol, so it's not going to make your skin sensitive. I have been using this product since ages and I really like it because it's going to provide you freshness throughout the entire day. It's also affordable. You can just save a lot of money on this product as well. So the last body care product which you guys definitely need to try out, I would highly recommend you guys to try out because this brand actually provides a lot of discounts during sale time, and it's from Bath and Body Works. It's our 1000 Wishes fragrance body mist. Love the smell of this. It actually smells so exotic. I really love it. And Bath and Body Works also provides, I think, flat 50% off on most of our body mists during sale time. Just keep an eye on that, and if you get it at 40-50% off, grab it and you're going to fall in love with this particular product. So guys, these are all the skincare, hair care, body care products which I think you can definitely stock up during the sale time according to your need. It's not necessary that you have to buy each and every stuff. These are the stuffs which I think I can recommend you guys to try out because the products are really good. At the same time, a lot of discounts will be available on this particular stuff. Now I just need to talk about a lot of makeup which are lying on my table, so let's move on to the makeup. Coming to the brow stuffs, I can definitely let you guys know that grab the Faces Canada All-Time Pro Brow Defining Pencil. Faces do provide offers like buy one get one on most of our products during sale time, and that's a time where you can definitely buy this one. This is just like a pomade in the form of pencil, works really well on most Indian eyebrow hairs and it worked really well for me. It's a very long lasting. This is a product which you guys definitely need to stock up. Another product which is also my favorite, but I don't think that they offer that much discount during sale time, is from PAC, but I really love it. If you get around 10% to 15% off on PAC products, you can definitely stock up with it. This is a Super Brow Eyebrow Cream from PAC, and it's a cream, it's not a pomade, it's in cream form. It's meant for just filling your eyebrows. It's also very long lasting. I use the shade 02 Cedar Cream, which works really well for me. If you get it in discount, you can definitely try it. So coming to primers, the two primers which you can definitely try out which will be having a lot of discounts are these two. This is the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. It's a complete silicone based primer, suitable for all, but it's best suitable if you have oily to combination skin because it actually fills in your pores so well and mattifies your skin. Another primer which I really like, and I have been using it for a long time and I really like it, is from Maybelline, and if you get this one in discount, I think you just need to get it. This is a Master Primer in the variant Redness Control, and if you have a lot of pimples and redness going on, this is a primer which you can definitely use because it has got kind of green texture which helps in just cancelling out redness from your face. So I really like it. It doesn't do that much to my pores, but my skin actually feels really good because it has got some sort of hydrating properties which works really well. So you can definitely try out these two primers. So now coming to the foundation, I know you guys keep on asking me about foundation. My favorite foundation of all time, which will be also having discounts during Pink Friday sale, is this one. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation plus Concealer. I use the shade 06 Sand Beige, and this particular shade is just like my second skin, my skin in a bottle. This foundation filters my face. It has got full coverage. It looks so good on the skin. I can't explain, guys, but this is a foundation which I think I'll be keep on buying in future as well. It looks really good. It actually is a full coverage foundation. It's so long lasting. I have worn this foundation on my wedding day and it lasted on me for more than 14 hours. Highly recommend you guys get it during sale time. You are not going to regret it. Another favorite foundation of mine which I always suggest to every one of you when you keep on asking me about foundation recommendation is from L'Oreal Paris. So this is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. This is not the Pro Matte foundation. It's the Fresh Wear foundation which is meant for normal to dry skin, but if you have combination skin, oily skin, you can definitely use it, because I love how it actually feels and looks on my skin. It's super lightweight, guys. It actually feels like a matte foundation but looks like a dewy foundation. That's a thing I can say. It's also having full coverage and it's super long lasting, so you are not going to regret it. L'Oreal provides great discounts on most of our products, so just grab it during sale time and you are going to love it. Another affordable foundation which you can get, I think, at flat rupees 500 is this one. Nykaa mostly provides this foundation at flat rupees 500. So this is by Maybelline. This is the Maybelline 24-hour Super Stay Foundation. This is a complete 24-hour Super Stay Foundation, guys. It's not going to budge. It's not going to move. I really love how it looks on my face. It's a full coverage foundation. If you have a lot of scars going on, this is going to just hide those imperfections. Get it and you are going to love it. If you are a beginner, if you want a really good foundation which you want to use during occasions, because the other two foundations which I have used is on a little bit pricey side, so this is an affordable one, guys, which you will be loving. So now coming to concealers, the two concealers which you guys can definitely buy during sale are these two. The first one is from PAC Cosmetics, although I'm not sure whether PAC will be providing discounts on her products or not, but if you get it at flat 10 to 15% off, you can definitely buy this one. This is the PAC Take Cover Concealer and I got the shade Classic Beige number 09, which works really well on my skin. It is having medium coverage, but it looks really healthy under your eyes. It's going to hide your imperfections, but I think on a regular basis, if you want to try a great concealer, you can definitely get this. You can try out PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer as well. That one is also very high coverage concealer, looks matte, but this doesn't look matte under your eyes. You can definitely give this one a shot. Another concealer which you will be surely having a lot of discounts is this one. This is by L'Oreal Paris. It's the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer and I got the shade 312 Amber. It also works really well on my skin. It looks really healthy under your eyes. It's a full coverage concealer, so you can definitely try this one. So coming to setting powders slash compact powders, the two powders which you guys can definitely buy during sale are these two. The first one is from K-Beauty. This is the K-Beauty HD Loose Setting Powder. I am in love with this particular product because this is so finely milled. It doesn't provide you any coverage, which is a little bit downside of this particular product, but I don't mind because it looks so good on my skin. It helps in just filtering my face. You can definitely try this one out, guys. I think this is one of the most finely milled powders that I have used till date. It just feels like feather. You will not feel that you have anything on your face. So it's a really good powder which you can definitely try out. Another is my all-time favorite Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact Powder. I am using the shade 310 Sun Beige. This is also a great compact powder. You'll be getting a lot of discount on this particular product. It's going to mattify your face, but in a very good way. Your skin will be not looking cakey and your makeup will be staying on your face for a very long time if you use this particular powder to set your face. So for the bronzer slash contour product, I have got 3 recommendations which you can definitely try out according to your budget. All of these are from drugstore. The first one is my absolute favorite, Nykaa Contour and Highlight Duo in the shade Sizzle Chisel. This particular shade of contour works really well on most Indian skin tones. You can definitely contour your face with it so well. It also is having very nice quality. You're also getting a highlighting shade with this particular product, so you can definitely highlight your face. So it's also affordable and you are also will be getting a lot of discount on this product. The next product is also my all-time favorite, and you know, I think I have used a number of this. This is the Sugar Contour de Force Face Palette in the shade Subtle Summit, which comes with a contour shade, a highlighting shade and a blush shade. This particular contour shade is known as Top Topper or Top Topper. Works really well on most Indian skin tones. I basically use this particular contour shade most of the days when I just go out, when I put a little bit of makeup and contour my face. This is a contour shade which I use. The blush, the highlighter, both are of really good quality. It's a very nice product under budget. If you can invest in it, definitely grab it. You are not going to regret it. So the next contouring product is also under budget. It's also one of my staple products. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in the shade Dulce de Leche. I just love the shade Caramel Toffee. If you guys can grab the shade Caramel Coffee, just grab it because that's going to work so well on medium to tan skin. But this is a shade which is definitely going to work for fair to medium to British skin tone. This particular contour shade works really well in just creating natural shadows on your face. At the same time, you're also getting a highlighting powder with it, which is not having shimmer, so you can definitely use it for setting your under eyes. So these are basically the contour products. Now it's time to talk about the blushes. I do have two recommendations for you which you guys need to buy during sale time. The first one is my all-time favorite Color Bar Cheek Illusion blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet. You have seen me using this particular stuff a number of times on my channel, and I'm going to put a swatch as well. This is a really pretty earthy toned blush. It's a dusty rose shade having earthy undertone, going to look gorgeous on all skin tones, and you can pair it with any kind of eye look you want to create. The another blush which you can definitely try out is perhaps the most loved blush of mine in 2020 is by L'Oreal Paris. This is the L'Oreal Paris La Bar A blush in the shade Be Fierce. This is how it looks like. Love this very pretty brick toned blush. It's a brick toned shade having a reddish inks in it with rich warm brown undertone, going to look gorgeous on all. It's crazily pigmented, so make sure that you tap up the excess and then apply it on your face. It's also of a very good quality, and L'Oreal also will be providing a lot of discounts, so you can definitely grab this one. So now coming to highlighters, the two highlighters which will be having a lot of discounts during sale time are these two, and you can definitely try out these two. The first one is by K Beauty. The moment I received it, guys, I fell in love with this particular highlighter. This is the K Beauty Illuminating Highlighter in the shade Champagne Fizz. It looks something like this. Love the packaging, and this particular shade is a true champagne shade having hints of rose gold in it, which is definitely going to work for all Indian skin tones. So if you want to try out one single highlighter which will be looking gorgeous on you, try out the shade Champagne Fizz and you're going to thank me. K Beauty will be also having discounts, so you can definitely grab this one. Another highlighter is an old favorite of mine, but you will be getting a lot of discount on this product as well. This is the Nykaa Glow Getter Highlighter Duo in the shade 24K Glam, which comes with two shades of highlighter. One is a complete rose gold shade having peachy undertone, and another one is a complete champagne shade having gold undertones. And when I mix these two, I get my perfect highlighter shade. A really pretty highlighter. I'm going to put a swatch as well. This is also having a very nice formula. It blends so well on your skin. It looks really beaming. So you can definitely build it up according to your liking. These are the two highlighters, guys. You can definitely buy either of these two and you're going to love it. So coming to the end part of the face makeup, I would say that you can definitely try out either of these two makeup setting sprays. The first one is by PAC. Also, I'm mentioning that I don't know whether PAC will be providing lots of discounts or not, but if you can get your hands on this, get it. You are going to love it. This is the PAC Instant Fixation Prep and Prime Makeup Setting Spray. This smells really good. It feels really good. It sets your makeup so well. So you are going to love this setting spray. Another affordable option is from Wet n Wild. It is her Photo Focus a natural finish makeup setting spray. It doesn't smell that good, but I think it's going to do your job. It's going to set your face and it's going to make your makeup look really glowy. So these are the two setting sprays which you can definitely try out. So guys, these are basically the base or the face makeup products which I have used. I know. So I think that sale is the best time when you can definitely grab onto this. Now it's time to move on to the eye makeup. For the eyeshadow palettes, I just want to give you two options because I know these two products will be available on sale. So the first one is my absolute favorite, my all-time favorite LA Girl Hot Heat eyeshadow palette in the shade Aloha Vibes. You have seen me using this particular eyeshadow palette a number of times on my channel in my tutorials. So this is how it looks like. And this is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. As you can see, it's a mix of nude shades as well as very pretty colorful shades. You can create a lot of eye looks with this particular product. The formula is really good and you're getting such big pans in this particular palette. I think LA Girl will be having a lot of discount as well. So I would say that if it is available on discount, grab it. You will be having a really nice eyeshadow palette. Another eyeshadow palette which you can definitely try out if you want to get a palette which you want to use on an everyday basis is this one, because I really love the color scheme of this particular palette. This is the Nykaa Just Wink It eyeshadow palette in the shade Double Chocolate Chip. This is how it looks like. As you can see, it's a complete nude eyeshadow palette having lots of browns in it, lots of nude shades as well as bronzy taupey shades, and also comes with a black as well. This is a little bit pricey palette, but I think if you get it during sale time, you can save a lot and then it's actually worth. So you can try it. You can create very nice traditional looks as well as smoky eyes, everyday eye looks with this palette. So these are the two palettes which I have selected thoughtfully for you. If you want a colorful one, grab this one. If you want a nude everyday sort of palette, grab this one, and you can save a lot of money during the Pink Friday sale. So guys, now it's time to talk about eyeliners and kajal. So my favorite part, you know how much I love wearing my kajals and eyeliners. I have done dedicated videos on eyeliners and kajals. I'm going to link it over here. You can watch it and you can get multiple options, but I do have a lot of options to show you today. So for black kajal, I have got 3 options, and these 3 are my absolute favorite. Highly recommend you guys to try out. These are the 3 kajals which you can definitely try out and buy during sale, and I think you're not going to regret. The first one is by Faces Canada. This is the Faces Canada All Time Pro Intense Gel Kajal in the shade black. It's a very creamy, super black kajal, going to look really good, perfect for creating smoky eyes. So you'll be definitely getting BOGO offer on Faces Canada. So in that case, you can definitely try it. If you want a really smudge proof, super long lasting kajal, these are the 2 kajals which you can definitely try out, which are not going to budge on your eyes. The first one is by Sugar. This is the Sugar Coal of Honor Intense Kajal in the shade Blackout. This even lasted on me for more than 16 hours on my eyes. This is a really long lasting kajal. It's completely smudge proof, waterproof. It's not going to budge. It's having intense black color. Another jet black kajal is from K Beauty. K Beauty also will be providing a lot of discounts, so keep an eye on that. This is the K Beauty Co-Star Kajal in the shade Sped. This is also very long lasting, looks really good, and these 2 kajals are really affordable. So if you get it at a much discounted price than its original price, I think you just need to grab this too. You can also grab the Faces Kajal. These 3 kajals are my absolute favorite. So talking about colored kajals, I have got 4 options. The first one is from Swiss Beauty. I keep on raving about this particular product. If you get it during sale, grab it. You are not going to just regret it. This is the Swiss Beauty Intense Gel Kajal in the shade Green. Very creamy texture, very long lasting, looks really gorgeous. You can just draw your winged eyeliner or put it on your waterline and you're going to look absolutely stunning. Another favorite line of kajal which I really like from Nykaa is her Glamour Eyes range. I really do recommend you guys to try out these 2 shades from Nykaa's Glamour Eyes range. The first one is Azure Charm, a very pretty blue shade having lots of sparkles going on. Today I'm wearing it. You can see it's a complete navy blue shade with a hint of turquoise in it, with hints of turquoise sparkles. Looks amazing on the eyes. I really love it. Second shade which you can definitely try out from Nykaa's Glamour Eyes range is the shade called Bronze Beam. This is a brown kajal, but it has got bronzy glitters in it, which makes it look more like bronzy shade. A perfect kajal which you can definitely wear on a regular basis. Although it has got glitters, but it's not going to look very stark on your eyes. It's very long lasting. Really love these 2 shades. You can definitely try out Azure Charm and Bronze Beam. So another colored kajal which you can definitely try out during the Pink Friday sale is from Colorbar. I know Colorbar will be also having a lot of discounts on most of our products. So if you get this one in discount, grab it. Don't pay full price of this because it's quite expensive. This is the Colorbar Just Smoky Eye Pencil in the shade Just Marsala. So I think in my recent video I have used this particular kajal to draw a winged eyeliner on my eyes. It is such a nice shade. It's a true deep burgundy shade. It's completely matte. It's not going to just smudge on your eyes. It's very long lasting, but you have to work very fast because it sets really fast. So these are the colored kajals which you can definitely try try out because most of them will be available on discounts. So now coming to my eyeliner recommendations for the sale, I do have two with me. And these are the two stuffs which you can definitely try out. The first one is from Kay Beauty. This is the Kay Beauty Eye Stylist Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Black Canvas. Love the applicator of this particular eyeliner. It's a complete jet black eyeliner having a nice pigmentation. The only downside is that it's having a shiny finish, but you can definitely use a matte kajal on top of this liner to make it look matte. It's having a very long-lasting formula as well. Another eyeliner which I would highly suggest you guys to buy and try out is from Colorbar. This is also very affordable, but I think if you get it during sale time, it will be even cheaper than its original price. This is the Colorbar Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. It's only available in one shade, that is black. It's a complete matte liquid eyeliner. It's a very long lasting. It's not going to budge. Looks really good on your eyes. You can definitely try this one out. So for my mascara recommendations, I do have these two with me. The first one is by PAC. If PAC provides any sort of discounts, you can definitely grab it. This is the PAC Double Volume Volumizing Mascara. Absolutely love the wand it comes with. It helps in making my lashes look really good. It adds volume. At the same time, it also separates your lashes, adds a length to your lashes. It's a very long lasting because it's having a kind of fibery texture which actually helps in making your lashes look so good. Definitely you can buy this. My all-time favorite L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I can't just praise enough of this mascara because I really love it. It's so good because it actually helps in adding so much volume, so much length to your lashes. I don't need false eyelash whenever and wherever I am wearing this because this is a really pretty mascara. If you haven't tried this one till date, you just need to grab it because L'Oreal will be providing, I think, this mascara for flat rupees 500. I'm not sure, but I am just predicting that you can definitely get it for rupees 500. So you can buy it. It's also a great mascara. So guys, these are basically all the eye makeup products which I would highly recommend you guys to buy and try out during Nykaa's Pink Friday sale, and you are going to get the best out of it. These are really good. Now it's time to talk about the lip products or the lipsticks. If you guys know me, you know that I am just a lipstick lover. I do buy a lot of lipsticks. I do try out a lot of lipsticks, and I do have a lot of my favorites. I'm going to link some of my lipstick videos over here. You can choose which one will be looking very good for you because most of my lipsticks are from drugstore, are in an affordable range. Although I have included 13 lipsticks today in this video, which I'm going to talk about very fast, otherwise this video is going to be a million years long. So now let's move on to the lipstick category. So before talking about the actual lipsticks, I just like to talk about two lip balms which are my absolute favorite, which you can definitely buy during sale and save a lot of money. The first one is by Maybelline. This is a very affordable lip balm from Maybelline. This is a Maybelline Baby Lips lip balm in the shade Highline Wine. This particular lip balm is from her Alia Loves New York range of Maybelline, and this is a lip balm which I wear in most of my videos, in my tutorials, and you guys keep on asking me. It's a very nice tinted lip balm. It's having a berry tone shade in it. It also moisturizes my lips for quite some time. Looks really good on the lips. If you don't want to put lipstick, you can definitely have this lip balm. Another lip product which is actually such a great boon for me, for my lips, is this one. I'm so happy that I have included this in my regular skincare / lip care routine. Is from Laneige. This is the only product of this entire video which is a little bit on the high-end / expensive side. This is a Laneige lip slipping mask in the variant Berry, and to be honest guys, I got this lip balm I think in February 2020, and still you can see this much product is left in the jar. If you just invest in it, this is going to last you throughout the entire year. That is, if you buy the bigger 20-gram tub of this. I know Laneige will be also available on discount, but not that huge discount. But if you get around 10 to 15% off on this particular product, grab it. It moisturizes my lips. It actually helped in repairing my lips so well. You can see the dead skin coming off the next day you wear this particular lip balm. So it's a great product which will be actually repairing your lips. So now coming to the actual lipsticks, guys, as I have mentioned, these are all the lipsticks which I'm going to talk about. Although you can get a number of recommendations from my other lipstick videos, I'm going to link some of them in the description box as well. I'm not going to go that much in detail with each and every product, otherwise this video is going to be a very long one. I'm also going to put a swatch for you so that it will be easier for you to know the actual shade. So coming to the first lipstick, which you can definitely try out and buy because NYX will be having a lot of discounts on most of our products. This is the NYX Lingerie Push Up Long Lasting Lipstick in the shade Seduction. It's a beautiful warm toned peachy nude color having rich brown undertone. It's going to look gorgeous on all Indian skin tones. If you belong to very deep skin category, it might look a little bit off on you. In that case, you can definitely apply a brown lip liner underneath this and apply this lip color. Absolutely love the formula of this. This is a true push up lipstick. The moment you apply this on your lips, you will feel such a nice tingling, cooling sensation, which actually helps in just plumping up your lips. So love the formula. It's 100% matte on the lips. It's very long lasting. I'll be surely buying a lot of shades from this push up line. Try this shade, guys. You are going to fall in love with it. So the next two lipsticks are both from Lakme. So I know Lakme's a primer plus matte range will be also having a lot of discounts. You can try out these two shades from the Lakme primer plus matte lipstick range. The first one is in the shade Rosy Sunday. This is a shade which I am wearing today. A beautiful muted pink shade. It's going to work for everyone. It feels really creamy on the lips. Give it around 15 minutes. It will settle into a very comfortable moist matte lipstick on your lips. Very pretty shade. Rosy Sunday is the shade which I think you guys need to have in your vanity. You are going to love it. Another nude lip color from the primer plus matte range by Lakme is this one. This is in the shade called Roseate Motif. It's also a nude shade. It's more of a reddish nude shade. It's having kind of brick tones in it, having rich brown undertone, which is also going to look absolutely stunning on everyone. These are the two shades, Rosy Sunday and Roseate Motif. These are the two shades, guys. You just need to grab. So guys, as I have mentioned, I do have a lot of Lakme lipsticks to show you because Lakme will be having huge discounts on most of our lipsticks during sale. So these are the two lipsticks which you can definitely try out from the Lakme Absolute Matte Revolution range. The first one is the shade called Dynamite Berry. A true deep berry shade having rich brown undertone with hints of wine in it. It's going to look absolutely stunning on everyone. A perfect holiday shade. Really gorgeous shade which is going to look amazing. Another shade which you are going to love is a shade called Wild Brown. It's a true brown nude color. It also is going to look absolutely stunning on everyone. I think these two shades, that is Dynamite Berry and Wild Brown, these are the two shades which you guys will be definitely need to have because I really love the formula of this Matte Revolution range. These are having such a nice formula, guys, which you are going to love. If you love bullet lipsticks, you are going to love this. So another lipstick from Lakme which you guys can definitely try out is this one. This is the Lakme 925 Wetless Matte Plus Mousse Lip and Cheek color in the shade Brick Bloom. Love this particular shade. It's a muted brick shade having rich warm brown undertone. It's also going to suit almost every Indian skin tones. Love the formula. It's a very nice liquid lipstick. Not at all drying on the lips, very comfortable on the lips, and you can use it in a multiple ways on your lips, on your cheeks, on your eyes. So I think you can definitely get this one. So the next three products are from Faces Canada. I know Faces Canada will be also having flat 25% off or BOGO offer, that is buy one get one offer on most of her products. So I would highly recommend you guys to try out these three lipsticks. The first two are from Faces All-Time Pro Intense Matte Lips Plus Primer range. I think this is the best selling range of Faces because love the texture, love the formula. I also have done a dedicated video on these lipsticks. I'm going to link it somewhere over here. So these are the shades which you can definitely try out from the Intense Matte Lips Plus Primer range of Faces. The first one is a Natural Cocoa, a beautiful brownie toned nude shade having hints of pink in it, which also is going to look absolutely stunning on everyone. This is a shade which is also going to look gorgeous on every Indian skin tone. Another shade is a complete different kind of shade that I have in my collection, is the shade called Scandalous. It's a muted mauve toned wine color, which is definitely going to look amazing on everyone out there. I just love the pigmentation of these lipsticks. It feels so good on the lips. Very long lasting, insanely pigmented. I think that if you get BOGO offers on faces, just buy these two shades and you are going to fall in love with it. So another faces a lip color which you can definitely try out is from her lip crayon range. This lip crayon range of faces is also having such an amazing texture. It applies so creamily on the lips. Give it some time, it will transform into a complete matte lipstick. Insanely pigmented like the Intense Matte Plus Primer range. The shade which I'm talking about is called Midnight Rose. A very pretty deep red shade having burgundy undertone. Is definitely going to work for all Indian skin tones. A perfect festive lip color. If you want to try a red shade which is completely different from the conventional reds, I think you can try out Midnight Rose. It looks amazing on the lips, guys. I think everyone can just pull it off from 16 to 60s. Anyone can just wear this lip color. It's so pretty. Get it during the sale time and you are going to love it. So the next lipstick which I can recommend you guys that you will love is from Sugar. This is a Sugar Nothing Else Matter Longwear lipstick in the shade Browning Glory. It's also a very pretty brownie nude color having pink undertone, and it's also going to look amazing on across all Indian skin tones. I don't know Sugar will be having that much discounts on her products or not, so I have not included that much Sugar products in this video. So this is a really pretty color which works so well if you have some kinds of smoky eyes going on. It is a really pretty everyday shade. The formula is also really good. You can definitely try this one out. So coming to the last three lipsticks are all from Colorbar. If you are a little bit high on your budget, you can buy Colorbar lipsticks, because Colorbar lipsticks will be also having, I think, 20 to 25% off. So this is a time where you can definitely just invest in some good lipsticks, and I think Colorbar's Sinful Matte range is one of our best creations. So I would highly suggest you guys to try out at least one shade from a Sinful Matte range. So this is the Colorbar Sinful Matte lipstick in the shade 01 Scene. A gorgeous mauve toned nude lip color having brown undertone. This is a shade which is definitely going to work for everyone out there. It has got hints of wine in it which will not make you look washed out. It's a very pretty color, guys. I know it's on the expensive side, so I'm telling you to grab it during sale. Another Sinful Matte lipstick from Colorbar which you can definitely try out is the shade called Sultry. A very pretty deep pink shade having hints of purple in it. Definitely going to look amazing on all Indian skin tones. These two shades are my absolute favorite, guys, because I can just wear it with a number of eye looks, with a number of outfits, and it's going to work for everyone out there. Love the formula of the Sinful Matte range by Colorbar, because this just feels like butter on the lips. It has got a velvety matte finish, not at all drying on the lips, and when you just buy it, when you just try it on your lips, you will feel the luxury of these lipsticks. So you can definitely try out these two lippies from Colorbar. So guys, I'm left with the last lipstick. Is also from Colorbar, and it's from her Wish Upon a Star Kiss Proof lipstick range, and I got the shade Desert Rose. A very unique formula. I haven't tried anything like this. This is also having the same pricing like the Sinful Matte range, so I'm telling you to grab it during sale. It's a very pretty deep pink shade, more like raspberry pink shade having red undertone. Looks amazing on every skin tone out there. Why I particularly love this lipstick is because of the formula. When you apply it, it just applies like an oil, like a creamy oil lipstick, and within a minute or two it just becomes completely transfer proof matte lipstick on your lips, but not at all drying. It's not going to transfer, it's not going to look cracky or look very uncomfortable on the lips. It's not at all like that. It's having such a unique formula. Really like it. I'm so happy that I have invested in Colorbar's lipstick. I know these are expensive, guys, but this is worth every penny you invest invest in it. So here comes the end of the video, guys. I am super tired because I have been talking so much for so long. I know this video is a long one because I need to share and talk a lot about all of these products. Don't just pressurize yourself to buy all of these stuffs. Just buy it according to your need. It's not necessary that you have to buy each and every stuff that I have shown you. If you need a lipstick, you can buy it. If you need a highlighter, you can buy it. If you need a shampoo, you can buy it. If you don't need anything, you don't have to buy anything during a Nykaa Pink Friday sale, guys. I'm also very much thoughtful about my own purchase. So for this year, I'm just eyeing on some of the Huda Beauty's products, which I was eyeing for so long to get. So if I get any one of this, I'll be soon letting you know. So these are the products which I have purchased over a period of time, and I know how these products actually work, and I know that these will be having a lot of discounts during Pink Friday sale. So I thought that I just need to share these with you so that it will be easier for you to know the shade, the formula, and everything. So this is by no means a sponsored video, guys. As I have mentioned, you guys keep on asking me about the recommendations, so I thought that if I just make a video, it will be helpful for you. So I hope you really liked this video, and if you did, make sure you hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel for getting more of these videos. If you are new to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe. I just need all your love and support. Just help me grow. We'll see you soon in my next video, guys. Until then, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye, guys.